aside while we build our fan sauce. It was like nothing's open, so I was. It's not bad. You don't want to cut this hole off. You want to make sure.
That's good, y'all. That's good, y'all.
Welcome back to Lead by Living Travel. Today we're tackling a question on so many couples' minds. Is it worth the high price that they charge to take a Sur La Table cooking class as a date experience? Come along with us and you decide for yourself, but stay to the end because we'll share with you exactly what we paid. Hopefully this will help because we'll show you what you're getting for your money. When you first walk in, you'll notice that Sur La Table is so much more than just a kitchen store. This literally feels like a playground just waiting to be explored. My first suggestion is to arrive early. When you do that, you're going to be able to pick exactly what spot that you want to work in. We kept this in mind because we wanted to set up somewhere where we wouldn't be a distraction to others. Today's date night experience was called From Paris with Love. I'm going to tell you, this is so much more than just a cooking class. It's romantic. Please take a second to like and subscribe. So what are you paying for? Much more than just the ingredients. They're setting it out for you. They've got all of the tools that you're going to need. And then there's just something about the ambiance here. We get to learn from a skilled chef. We're learning a lot about cooking overall. He walks us through the steps and then he has us do it. First off, I didn't know the difference between a shallot and an onion. Second, I really struggled here trying to hold it correctly so that I didn't cut my fingers off. Okay, let's try this again. Notice how fast Owen's going. He's got it. So clearly here at Sur La Table, you're not just learning how to cook a meal. You're gaining valuable skills and knowledge that you can use for a lifetime, or at least for the next week if you can remember it. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and said, this meal is really good, but it needs a little bit more seasoning? I love that here you're able to create the meal exactly how you want it. Want more onion, want more garlic? You can do that here. Never mind my face. I've never cooked with thighs and all that fat was kind of grossing me out. We're making this chicken dish with so many different ingredients I've never tried before, like shallots, chives, and tarragon. I love that we get to cook to our own personal taste. If you're taking notes, stay to the end because we will leave the recipe for this incredible chicken dish. I had to smell it. Whole grain mustard seeds, another ingredient I've never cooked with. With the chicken lightly browned, we are adding it back to the sauce and it's gonna go in the oven. I'm so used to cooking with chicken breasts, so I was a little bit grossed out when they told us to add the fat back in, but we're trying something new with thighs today. So we are at the break time now here at Sur La Table, and our chicken was just placed in the oven. I asked the chef, I said, are we gonna for sure make sure that we get ours? Because I don't want chicken that someone else has cooked.
We want our own chicken.
We want our own chicken that we season. So I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be an experience, me trying these thighs.
Yeah, and you know, we cook chicken all the time because all we eat is chicken and turkey, but coming here, just learning some different techniques of how to chop, you know, onions and shallots and parsleys and how to hold the knife properly so you won't chop off your fingers. So we're getting educated, you know, we're not just here to eat, we're actually getting educated and it's fun.
Having
and
a
we're
good
blessed to
time.
get our own table.
Yes.
So that's awesome.
And the chef is really nice as well.
Yeah, so
Chef / instructor.
yeah, so
we're having a good
time.
So it's break time, so now is the time that we go out into the store and we're supposed to buy everything.
All right, see about that.
I really love this store, but it's crazy. The store makes you want to cook more. It makes you want to bake. It makes you want to do everything in the kitchen.
We need to update our round cake dishes.
Okay.
I've been wanting to do that. Isn't that pretty? I want to cook like Martha Stewart. That's a pretty cake there.
Yeah.
Huh?
The chocolate.
No. Not your thing? I mean, this is like a chef's dream. The time.
If you are part of the class, you can start making your way in.
Oh, it's time for us to head back. Our chicken is ready. Timer went off.
Okay, so I'm so paranoid. I remembered the way that I had organized the chicken in the pan just so that I could make sure we got the same dish back. So in addition to the chicken, we had salad, and the chef showed us how to make this incredible mashed potatoes. Doesn't this look amazing plated up? Now for the moment of truth.
I stand corrected. This thigh meat is pretty good. I mean, it's chicken.
I keep a couple dry whites and dry reds at home, and they're the perfect amount for doing it.
What do you think, Owen? Taste it.
Try it.
Yeah.
That's good, y'all. That's good, y'all.
As promised, here's the recipe for the pan-roasted chicken with fine herbs and whole grain mustard sauce.
It's so hard for me to try something new. Okay, what's this inside of my salad? It's okay. It's okay.
So what's a date night without dessert? Tonight, we're making creme brulee. This will be another first for me. Okay, this torch was a lot of fun. So we paid $99 per person, $198 total. I clearly need these classes because I don't like to get out of my comfort zone.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
So, is it worth paying the high price to take a Sur La Table cooking class? Absolutely, in my opinion. I got to try something new, French cuisine. We increased our cooking knowledge and we created priceless memories. It helps our channel if you subscribe today and click that bell for notifications.